Look at all this hair. Look at all this hair. So it's the night before. I'm going to like put my hair in a ponytail and have it laid for tomorrow. Then I'm gonna add my ponytail next morning. So y'all gonna see all that happening and stuff. Yeah, let's get into it. So you're gonna need like a hard brush and then like a soft brush. Something for your edges, maybe a comb, some hairspray maybe, some gel, Greta Stunt gel, or any type of gel, Eco Style gel, whatever you got. My hair is soft, yes. Like, this shit's soft. It is soft though. Okay, so I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit first. Alright, so it's the next day. We already have our hair wrapped and it's gonna be nice and ready. I already took this off earlier because I wanted to see how it's gonna go. Dang, I got a little line from wearing it. But yeah. So right now I'm just gonna take some of my, I only have a little bit of this left, a little bit, so I'm gonna use this for my edges. Y'all check out my Instagram, go double tap for me, you know, support. If you've seen my previous videos on how I put on this in general, it's pretty much the same way, to be honest, how I do it anyways. So I have my little bobby pin here at the end on both tracks to hold it, and I put a ponytail right here so I can like stick it in there and just wrap it around, so for like you can have extra security. So it's in there, and then now you're just gonna start to twist and wrap it around. I'm going to put this last track right here. I'm going to grab some of the hair and start wrapping it around so I know it's on there very good. Alright girls, ladies, this is all for my tutorial. Obviously I'm gonna show my hair, I'm gonna do that, but y'all can straighten your hair or you can curl it if you like. But yeah, that's all for this tutorial today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It's very easy. It's a very easy and simple natural protective hairstyle. And guys, if you already haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my recent videos. Bye loves.